For video number 2 in our healthy meal recipe series, we've got salmon, rice, and a veggie salad. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees, and then we'll take the broccoli and cauliflower and chop it up. You'll take thinly sliced carrots, add it to the mix, and then we'll take raw cashews and pepitas and add it on top, and we'll put all of that in the baking sheet. Take extra virgin olive oil, pour it on top, and then you'll mix everything together. I'll then put seasoning on it, so I'll use total seasoning, and I'll also use garlic salt as well. For the rice, I'll add a half cup of rice and then a full cup of water. Again, I'll add a little bit more garlic salt just to get some flavor in there. For the salmon, I know it's steak seasoning, but I use this garlic butter steak blend. It's delicious on the salmon, so I definitely recommend it. Put the salmon in the oven for 30 minutes. When you do that, start the rice, turn it on medium heat. Then after 10 minutes, turn it on low heat for the next 20 minutes. For your veggie salad, that only needs to go in for 20 minutes. So when there's 20 minutes left on the salmon timer, put in your veggies. That's when you'll turn the rice down to low heat, and then everything will be done at once, and you'll be ready to eat. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more healthy meal recipes. Let me know what you think.